What are you doing today? Oh, let's see. Sanded this one down. I got this bumper for 800 bucks. Yeah, that's the name. I'm not advertising for them. Sanded it down, put it in primer. You can see the old paint coming through. I got to throw a little bit of primer right there on that little corner. I had to weld it. This pre-runner, whatever tube they want to call it, was cracked, so I had to weld it over in here. Over in here, and then ground it down so it looks halfway decent. $800 bumper. Come on, these things are like $3,000 if you go to buy them. Oversprayed my lights because I'm too lazy to take them out. But yeah, now we're just waiting for the paint to come on. Bumper's already off the truck. Oh, Jesus, look where we're from. How you doing there, eh? Hey, get me a freaking Molson Canadian. By God. Later on, we're going to go out for a float in a boat. You know, just so you know that we're Canadian. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing a thumbs up, but you know, whatever. Hey, look, a micro towel. Fiber. So yeah, hopefully we didn't get any overspray on that. And yeah, so there.